Hey there, tech-savvy viewers. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets. Today, we have something truly remarkable to discuss: the LIONWEI USB-C docking station. It's not just a docking station, it's a powerhouse of connectivity. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the impressive connectivity options of this USB-C docking station. It's not your average hub, it's an 11-in-1 solution. You get two 4K HDMI ports, 3 high-speed USB 3.1 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, USB-C power delivery charging, VGA, Gigabit Ethernet, and even an audio mic 2-in-1 port. That's everything you need to supercharge your laptop's capabilities. One of the standout features of this docking station is its support for triple displays. For Windows OS users, you can mirror or extend your screen with crystal clear 3D visuals and high-quality video through the 2 HDMI ports and 1 VGA port. With HDMI resolution of up to 4K at 30 Hz, you're in for a visual treat. Need to transfer data quickly? No problem. The Lionway docking station boasts 3 USB 3.1 ports with speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. They're also backward compatible with USB 3.0 and 2.0 devices. Additionally, there are 2 USB 2.0 ports that are perfect for peripherals like mice and keyboards. Plus, there's a 1000M Gigabit Ethernet port for lightning-fast internet connections. Whether you're into listening, talking, or recording, this docking station has you covered. It features a 3.5mm audio port for your headphones or microphone. And when you're using HDMI for audio, just plug in and play. For the best experience on Windows or Mac, make sure to configure your audio settings accordingly. Before we wrap up, let's talk compatibility. This docking station is designed to work seamlessly with various laptops and devices, including MacBooks, Microsoft Surface, Dell XPS, Lenovo Yoga, HP EliteBook, and many more. Please refer to your laptop's manual or contact us for compatibility confirmation. Lastly, rest assured that the LIONWEI docking station is FCC, CE, and RoHS certified, so it meets the highest safety and quality standards. You're backed by an 18-month warranty and exceptional customer support. So, there you have it, folks, the LIONWEI USB-C docking station. It's the ultimate solution for expanding your laptop's capabilities, whether you're working, gaming, or just enjoying multimedia content. If you found this review informative and you're excited about the possibilities of this docking station, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and insights. Have you used a similar docking station? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay connected with the LIONWEI USB-C docking station and stay tuned to Product Critique for more fantastic tech discoveries.